You guys have been waiting for this for like, I don't know, 2 years? We've been coming out with various shades of lip oil in our limited edition spring and holiday sets. I've been waiting to hear customer feedback and it's been really, really good. So we have decided to make it a permanent part of the collection. Launching today, starting with shade number 1 from the spring 2024 collection. I'm wearing it now. It's called Love Bunny. Now I'm wearing it with Holly Berry and Pink for Yourself lipstick because this product can be worn alone or over lipsticks as a substitute for lip gloss. But next I'm gonna show you what this looks like if I don't have a liner and lipstick underneath it. Now it is my favorite color, that's why I decided to start here. And I like this one because it's got a violet undertone. You can see how when these lip oils go on, they're not super pigmented. None of them have shimmer or glitter in them. They just give a really nice, soft, silky, hydrated feel with just a tint of color. Moving on to the next shade, which not many of you guys got your hands on this one because it was a limited edition set for our holiday collection called All About Lips that sold out same day we launched it. So if you saw that and you were like, I want to have that set, now is your chance to get a hold of one of my favorite items from that set. If you're a fan of Thanks a Latte, this one is for you. It's a pink beige nude brown. Again, the name is Leave It To Me. It's really pretty. Next up, Honeypot, from the color that started it all. This was from the Teddy Bear collection from our holiday launch. So now that I'm thinking about timelines, it was about 1.5 years ago. You guys love this, which is why we continue to bring it out in the limited edition sets, because it was the perfect enhancement to a natural lip without looking like you have a lot of color on. The best way to describe this color is it looks like honey. Next up, I kind of have a feeling this is going to be the best-selling shade. It's called Baby Lips. So I was on Instagram recently on my stories wearing this color and you guys were all asking, what's on your lip? It was Baby Lips. It is so pretty and nude by itself with just a touch of baby pink, but it also looks great over Holly Berry and Pink for Yourself. Any nude lipstick, any pale pink lipstick, this is the one. Because it literally looks the color of a baby's lip. God, it's so pretty. I don't want to take it off and move to the next shade. And Amber's over there saying yes and very agreeable back there. This is a good one, which is why I think it's going to be number 1. Okay, this next one is the one that Miss Jada, one of our makeup artists, made popular. Amber and I were filming a tutorial for Miss Curly Hair Jada pinned to the top of my Instagram profile if you want to see what this one looks like on her skin tone. It's called Forget About It. Not as pretty on me as it is on that warm caramel chocolate skin. But since I'm the model for this video, I'm gonna put it on myself. But if you have medium to dark skin tone, you should go check her out. It is so pretty. It's nice and nude on a rich melanin skin tone. Also looks pretty on fair skin, but better on darker skin. But it has kind of like a nude with a touch of chocolate cherry tone to it. Looks really good with Lady Cocoa lip liner, which is what we used on Jada for that video. This next one is very interesting. It's called Drop the Beat. And it makes you look like you had a red or a purple popsicle. Looks very intimidating in the tube, but it is not on the lips. If you are a fan of Cherry Go Round, this one's for you, minus the glitter. See, not so scary after all. Really, this one works great on all skin tones. Next one is the one that Amber is most curious about. It is called Cherry Glaze. Now, I'm not even gonna lie to you. This one is a play on Hailey Bieber's strawberry glazed donut collaboration she did with Krispy Kreme. I thought that was such a wonderful color, so if I like something, I just make it myself. This literally makes it look like you ate a strawberry donut. It is so cute, great for spring, summer, again for all skin tones. How can you not want to own that? And last but not least, this is something that I wasn't super interested in, but I had many of you ask, will you please come out with a clear one? There you go. This one is called Crystal Clear. If you want the hydration, but you don't want any color, this one's for you. Again, these can be worn over lipsticks for a very hydrated look. And it's hard to really tell, it's hard to really explain the difference between this and a lip gloss, except for like your lips don't stick together. It feels more like a lip treatment product. And I have incredibly dry lips, so I am in love and obsessed with these. I'm actually traveling this weekend to a really dry climate, and this is exactly what I'm gonna bring because it soothes my lips. It leaves a really nice like castor oil type feel. That's the best way I could describe it. It's a really thick, kind of like a liquid gel. Anyway, enjoy. We expect to run out of these the first day that they're launched, so do not sleep on these. But just to reiterate, they are a permanent part of the collection. There's gonna be a little gap between launch day before we get our second shipment, but we already have it in the pipeline because we know this is probably gonna be one of our #1 selling categories in the entire line.